In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Skool outreach, how to send up to 1000 DMs per day on Skool, and how to overcome any restrictions that are out there. Let's dive straight into it. So, in the past, I think like 2 days, Skool get new restriction that you can't actually message new people in communities without actually being level 2. So if I go right now to, I don't know, some group, let's say this one, and I will go to the members, I can't actually message them, okay, because I need level 2. And how you are going to open level 2? You will open level 2 once you actually hit 5 points right here, 5 points to level up, and you actually get those points when somebody comments or likes your post, okay? But I'm going to show you how to actually overcome it and do it in like 10 minutes, okay? So, like if I would be level 2, what I can then do, I can just go right now to the members and just message 50 people, because per account you can do 50 people per day. But how to actually create more accounts and do outreach from more accounts and open them all? We use this software called Hide My Egg, and it actually enables you to open multiple browsers. So I can do this, I can open right now like 5 browsers, it will load up, and right here you can see that it just opened loads of browsers. And in these browsers, you can log in into another Skool account. So for example, on this browser, I will have one Skool account. So if I go to Skool, I think I'm already logged in. I should be. If I open it, it will not right now. I will open the Skool, and okay, this one isn't logged in, but okay, I will log him after that, but it doesn't matter. If I go to this one, it should be logged in. Okay, this one is logged in. I have already made a fake account, and you can see right here, I'm already level 2, and I can start right now. If I go right now to the members, I can start messaging people. And how I actually did that. First thing I will show you on how to actually make more Skool accounts so it works. So first thing you are going to do is download this app called Hide My Egg. Then you are going to go to plus new profile and just add new profile with whatever name you want. I usually just use the name of the account. So this is the Instagram account I'm using on that browser. This is the Skool account I'm using on the browser. Once you have it, you will just open it, and a browser that looks like this will actually open. So you will just see it, and right now we will go to Skool. And how you actually going to create the account, because you need to set it up with the email. So I have a website that's called Balaksa can buy. I think you can buy here Gmail accounts. I don't even know how much it costs. Let's say the 10 accounts. Okay, you can buy 10 accounts for $10. So you can buy you can have 10 Skool accounts for $10. So then what you will just do is go to Skool, and let's open the browser that actually wasn't logged in. I don't know if it was this one. Okay, this one is already logged in, but if you would go there to the one that isn't logged in, you will just go log in, put there your email, and then you actually need to verify with the email. Okay, once you have verified, you can create more accounts. Just place there some profile picture, some bio, some random bio, name, profile picture, and just make more those fake accounts, and then just join those groups. Okay, you just go into the group you want. So if you want to target agency owners, you will go to agency and join, right here, discover communities and agency, and here you will just join the communities you want. And once they will actually let you in, then you can't start messaging people because it's still restricted. You are level 1. I'm already here level 2. But how to actually level it up so we are level 2 and start messaging those people? And this is how I am doing it. So we'll just go to the community and write a section on actually introduce yourself. Okay, if you don't want to waste time on doing this, you can just put there something random, or just check out other posts of people that introduce themselves there or in another group. So you can just copy it. This is one of our accounts. Okay, so you can okay, it's just random. You can just copy it and paste it. Like, it shouldn't be that obvious, you know, but like this is for just right now for the test. So we'll just go here, tell intro, and here you will go with the introduction, post it, and right here you need to wait until somebody likes you, till somebody get like to this post. But what you can do, you can just right now go open your second account or your third account and just go to the same group. Which group actually was it? Was it max 3? Okay. I can just go right now, open that group, and go to the introduce yourself, and you can see that this is my other account. I will just click on like, and right now I have 1 point. And then I will just go it and do it on another 4 accounts. And once you have 5 likes, you can start messaging people. So then what you can do is just go to members and go through the active ones. You can see that this one is how much I level 1. So we can do this on this account, so we can actually see it, how is it actually working, okay? So I will just go introduce myself, intro, hey guys, nice to meet you, doesn't matter what we put there, post it. Category, introduce yourself, post it. And then now, right now I will just open the other accounts, okay? So I will just open this one and go. This is the Cashflow channel, by the way, this is our community. If you want to join it, it's for free. I will leave the link in the description. You can join it, talk with other guys, and yeah, it's called Cashflow Clan. It's in the description. Then what I will do is just go to the group I just showed it to you and go right now to the introduce yourself, and I can see here this account. So I will just click on like, then I will open my another account. I will go to introduce yourself. I can see this account. Okay, I will like it. Then I will go to this one and go to the same group, go to the introduce yourself. I will like that. So it's already a third account, and yeah, if you can check it right now, you can see that I have already 3 points. So I only need 2 points to level up. So what I can just do then, I can just open more of those because I have actually made more of them. I have like 15 right now, so I can do outreach from all of them. So I will just open these ones and do the same thing, just Skool. The other one, I will also open Skool and just go like that post. So we actually enable it to start sending out those DMs, like it, okay? Right now, last one, if I go max free, boom, introduce yourself, like it. Now it should work, okay? If I go back to the account, reached level 2, now I go to that group and go to the members, we can start sending out those DMs, okay? Awesome. So I can right now click and go and send them the DM. And right now, how we are actually going to do the outreach. So the first method is just to go to everyone, send them all message. Hey man, are you open for a chat? I don't know, this isn't good outreach, but you get the point. So we'll just go send it, then you will go to another online person. The good thing that is they are actually online, you know, so there is bigger chance that they will actually respond. I'm right now not sure, like if you are creating more accounts, like what which one have like better response rate. We have made like, I've made half of them are just girls, that looks pretty good, and half of them are just normal men, like made that looks like they have a business. So I will right now test out like which one of them have actually better response rate. I'm not sure yet, but let's see. But what you can do right now is just go message 40 people, close the account, go to another one, message 40 people, then just go back and reply to them. If you don't want to do it actually, you can just hire a VA. I'm showing you videos that on my channel, you have loads of videos on how to actually hire a VA that will actually go and do everything you have just explained to you for you. So he will actually go warm up those accounts, he will actually unrestrict them, and then he will do the outreach for you. Maybe you can hire 2 VAs. If you have accounts, like 15 accounts as me, then you can probably hire 2 VAs, and they will just message every one of them, 40 to 50 messages per account, and then they will respond to them and book those calls for you, okay? And if you don't actually want to, use VA, we have actually automation. So if you want to know how to actually use that automation, you can join our private group that is called Money In. I think I will also leave the link below. It's called Money In. You can join it through Cashflow Clan. It will be in the description. There is how to use actually the automation on the Skool outreach. But otherwise, that's everything for this. It's super simple, and you can use it like how you want. But the thing is also, like, maybe when you are watching right now this video, maybe the restrictions are a little different from when I was recording it, but if it isn't that old, this video, then probably these are only the restrictions that are there, and you can use this for your outreach and you can book those calls. Okay, thank you, see you next one.